Hello everyone. This video will show you how to fix the slow issue of the Western Digital SMR hard drives. We know slow issue is one common issue for all the Western Digital hard drives. Sometimes we can say the drive running very slowly, including the logical scan, but the sector scan is very slow, and it's very slow to get detected, and also it's very slow to read the hard drive firmware modules. So it seems everything is very slow. How to fix this kind of slow issue? We need to connect the patient drive to the DFL SRP or DFL PCIe data recovery hardware, and then we select the DFLWD firmware repair software to detect the hard drive, and we can see this is one Palmer hard drive. The model number is the Hitachi model number, but actually this is one Western Digital SMR hard drive, and it belongs to the Palmer family SMR. It's one typical Western Digital SMR hard drive, and we can say this is the firmware module list. We have unlocked this hard drive successfully. And for SMR hard drive, we can see there's one module called module 190. So this is one very typical feature for SMR hard drive to have the module 190. Okay, so to fix the slow issue of Western Digital SMR hard drive, the very first solution is the log UA writing. To stop the continuing write to the module 190, okay, this will help to fix, because we have already log UA writing, so it shows execution failed. So please remember, the first thing we need to log UA writing to fix the slow issue. Second option to fix the slow issue is firmware operations module editing, edit HDD ID, and here we can see features. Now we can see there are many options here, and we can see we can try to tick this one and untick this one, enable reallocation. So this is the second feature, click OK. This is the second feature to fix the Western Digital SMR hard drive slow issue. So the third solution, we need to go to the DFL, DDP data recovery software, and we can see on the left side the menu column, and we can see select the Western Digital, and here the down arrow, we need to select this one, change the disk configuration, DDP, sometimes if the hard drive gets some issue, okay, now we need to take this one, modify 01, modify 02, activate this one, the tenor. Not all drives support this one. Okay, we can try to change the read and write commands to 200 and click OK. Sometimes when the drive is unstable and users may get some error, but it's okay. We just need to check the log window. we can see the module count has been reduced. All the unnecessary modules have been reduced or have been deleted. So this will also help to make the pension drive run faster. So this is third solution to get the drive work faster for the Western digital SMR hard drives. So sometimes, besides these firmware snow failures, there is also some other failures, such as the weak head or the physical bad sectors on the pension drive can also cause the snow issue for the SMR hard drives. For the physical slow issue, users need to go to the clean room and find $1 hard drive and swap the heads to fix the physical snow issue. For the firmware snow issue, so users can use the lock URL writing and module editing and this feature. Okay, we need to switch back. Come here. The drive is a little clinking noises we have heard. So sometimes we need to use the soft reset, and then we use this menu again, module ID. So it keeps clinking now. Okay, so we just have gone through these three solutions. First one, lock URL writing. Second, module editing, edit HDD ID, and disable the reallocation. And third is the DDP, change this configuration. The last one is head swap to fix the physical slow issue. Thank you for watching the video.